Have you ever woken from a dream, feeling like you'd lived another life? Not imagined, not hallucinated, but remembered. Science says dreams are random neural firings, but what if they're more? A quote from Dr. Strange, "Multiverse of madness haunts us. Dreams are windows to our multiversal selves." Could it be true? Let's begin with what we know. Every night, we dream. Vivid, strange, emotional journeys. Sometimes we're someone else, living somewhere else, with people we've never met, yet they feel familiar. What if those aren't fantasies, but echoes of parallel lives? Enter the many worlds interpretation of quantum physics. It says, every decision you make splits the universe. You stay home. Another version of you goes out. Infinite versions, infinite outcomes, infinite yous. So when you dream of being a doctor, a soldier, a runaway, are you tapping into their experiences? A neuroscientist, Dr. Patrick McNamara, argues dreams may serve a purpose beyond memory. They're emotional, moral simulations. But what if they're also dimensional signals? Stories throughout history echo this. In ancient Egypt, dreams were divine, messages from the gods. In Aboriginal culture, the dream time shaped reality itself. In Islam, Prophet Joseph, interpreted dreams as visions of truth. In Buddhism, dreams are glimpses into karmic echoes. So many cultures. One mystery. Now listen closely. In 1983, a woman in India dreamed she was living as a French woman in the 1700s. She described streets, customs, names, verified by historians. She'd never left her town, never learned French. Coincidence or connection? Now pair that with the science of neuroplasticity. Our brains rewire constantly. They adapt. They absorb. What if they also receive? In 2020, Harvard researchers found that brainwaves during REM sleep resemble those during lucid states when people claim to control dreams. In these lucid states, subjects made conscious decisions within dreams. They solved math problems. They spoke to researchers using eye signals. If dreams are just noise, why is there order? Why is there intelligence? And here's the twist. Some tech innovators now track dreams to access creativity. Salvador Dali did it. So did Edison. They'd drift into sleep, then wake up with answers. Dreams, they believed, were gateways. To the mind or to the multiverse. Think of this. Today, we video call anyone, anywhere. 30 years ago, it was science fiction. In Back to the Future, cars flew. People saw holograms. We called it fantasy. Now, we live it. If your thoughts can predict reality, could dreams be previews of possible realities? In the Quran, it says, "Verily, after hardship comes ease." A dream is sometimes that ease, a glimpse of peace in another timeline. In Hinduism, the god Vishnu dreams the universe itself. Reality is his sleep. What does that tell us? Maybe dreams are not random. Maybe there are echoes, ourselves stretching across the fabric of space and time. So next time you wake from a dream, don't just brush it off. Ask yourself, who was I? Where was I? And what part of me is still there? Because maybe, just maybe, when we close our eyes, we don't escape reality. We enter another one. Like, follow and subscribe for more stories that stretch your mind. You're not alone in wondering. You're just awake in more than one world.